35, 40 minutes maximum. The maximum distance between one place to the other. And we have the appointment for the factory tour at 9:30.
Life goes up and it goes down. 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 Life goes up and it goes down.
First stop is a Lamborghini. We arrive in about 35, 40 minutes maximum. The maximum distance between one place to the other. And we start with the Lamborghini factory. And after you have free time for enjoy the museum inside the Lamborghini.
Okay.
After we move in direction of Ferrari.
Okay.
Ferrari is only for the museum.
Okay. Yeah. Factory they don't allow.
No, only if you are owner of the Ferrari
Ferrari.
company. Our company is located like in the middle of nowhere because the price of the land outside the city center was cheaper than the city center.
Life goes up and it goes down. Life goes up
at the beginning of his life was a mechanic inside the factory of the father. The factory of the father was for repair platform and train. The reason why Ferrari became a very, very passionate about mechanic. And he is also a driver for the Alfa Romeo racing team. Ferrari decided to open his own company and start the business here in Maranello in 1947. Nowadays, Ferrari works over 4,000 employees and the production is 13,500 cars every year. Start to see the Ferrari factory on my right. All the building around Maranello where we are now is our old Ferrari factory and Ferrari. Red one to the left. Portofino. If you want to buy your first Ferrari of your life, you cannot take the Ferrari in yellow. Only from the second. This is to respect the rules of the company. You cannot paint in different color. You cannot modify the engine and so many other rules. If you do that, you enter in the special blacklist and you are not allowed to buy any more Ferrari for the rest of your life.
Wow.
Do you know what is the first man on the Ferrari blacklist?
Who was that?
Lamborghini. You can see the Ferrari historical entrance. You saw Ferrari right in yellow. We pass in front of the new building built only for the Formula One racing team. You can visit this building only if you are mechanic engineering and you work for the Ferrari Formula One team, or you are professional driver of the Formula One.
Museum of Ferrari. Oh,
We can skip the line with the tickets. I explain. This is a strange red wine because it's served cold and is sparkling.
Yeah.
90% of the Italian wine are flat and is growing only in this part of the region, only this part of Italy, in the Modena area. Cook with the fat part of the pork. This one is cooked between two hot stone after a cuccola. You squeeze like
No, no, nice.
Life goes up and it goes down. Life goes up and it goes down. Life goes up and it goes down. Life goes up and it goes down.